to the channel. So, Audi is waiting snow and better weather. And right now then we start building this Lada. Like you saw in the beginning of video, I did put this protector plate on. Need to make some brackets for front mountings. And then we need to make new exhaust system, but that will be maybe in the next video. I gonna build one oil catch tank here, gonna make video about that also. So maybe a little bit about this car, and then we gonna start working on the protector plate. Let's talk a little about this Lada. It came only on rolling body, no engine, no transmission, and I did put the engine from another car, so let's speak about that a little bit. It has 1.6 engine with little modifications. Head has made little bit, and better camshaft, and installed this tubular manifold, Russian Solex style carburetor, and it has a little bit lighter flywheel, ceramic clutch, and what else? I did make this cable for the gas pedal, and yeah, need to make mounting for radiator. It's not good right now. And what else? In the front axle we have polyurethane bushes, stronger joints, and Bilstein P6 rally suspension. And yeah, so in the car we have a full roll gauge, and here also some modifications are coming. In the back we have safety fuel tank, the electrical fuel pump, plus little bit weight for the ice tracks, and I'm gonna lift the car. So in the rear axle we have brakes on discs, not the original system anymore. And here also Bilstein shocks, some stronger arms, and LSD differential. So yeah, it's one fast little car. So now you saw this car, what parts we have here, what will come, and so let's start working with the protector plate. Plan is to make something like this. It connects under the bumper bolts, you gonna see here, and then I'm going to make it down here, and one tube bolting up here, and hope it gets good and strong. So let's see how to make one good connection for protector plate. the plates are ready. With this I gonna connect the protector plate to the car. And let's put them on and then we're gonna make the next step. One is on, so the plate goes here like this. And now need to make the tube what goes on the plate with bolts. And yeah, then we're gonna install here. My plan to use this tube, this is not a plan anymore because there is not so much space. So I'm making only from this corner steel, 5 by 5 centimeter corners, drill the hole here and with 2 bolts the protector plate and connect like this. So let's cut them and look what comes out. The brackets are almost done. Some final touches need to make, but the first, this is not good, this opened area here. So let's try, maybe we can weld this aluminium here. Then it's good. The gravel and stones and that kind of stuff don't go here under the oil pan. But this protector plate material is interesting. So let's see, can we weld it or we can't weld this? Tack weld it. Now let's take it off and let's weld this thing together. Brackets are ready, need to paint only, and I made here also towing hook, and when need to tow this car then it's good to have this. Also welded this aluminium here, but this protector plate is not a pure aluminium, so it was not so good to weld. And yeah, hope it will work good. And yeah, so I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!